Now, there's no clear update on the official certification of the National Stadium track 10 months since major resurfacing work was completed in March 2025. Meanwhile, Sports Minister Olivia Grange confirmed that official work on the redevelopment of the National Stadium is now set to begin in 2027.
Grand Slam Track had partnered with track manufacturer Rakuten to install a new track at the National Stadium ahead of the opening Grand Slam meet in April of last year. The resurfacing project was carried out at a cost of US $800,000, of which the Jamaican government paid US $350,000. With the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships, the first event to take place on the newly resurfaced track. But the new surface is yet to be officially recertified. When quizzed about the certification at Wednesday's press conference involving World Athletics President Lord Sebastian Coe, Sports Minister Olivia Grange had this to say.
Major Brown, the general manager, would be better able to answer that question because that gets down now to the actual execution of things. But Mr. Penn was indicating that they are awaiting certification. All right? And interestingly enough, we will be in what, a 9-lane track? That's a new, yes, for the new stadium.
Meanwhile, Minister Grange revealed that the work on the redevelopment of the National Stadium is set to begin in July 2027.
There are 3 distinct phases. 1, concept design, and phase 2 commenced on January the 5th and will conclude April 30, and this will include Stadium East proposed upgrade facilities. And the detailed designs will be ready between May and October. And the technical designs between November 2026 through to the end of the year. And then construction is expected to commence in July 2027.
The redevelopment work on the National Stadium will see sporting activities shifted to the Stadium East facility.
It is proposed that Stadium East, and this is new information, Stadium East will be refurbished for all activities to be accommodated there while the stadium is under construction. It would facilitate some of the smaller events that currently take place in the National Stadium and provide improved facilities for patrons, officials, and athletes using Stadium East as a warm-up area.
The minister shied away from naming a completion date. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.